here and I punch it, you hit the sleeping frame. Good. So instead of, and get this like knee shield like in front of you, because this is really easy. So instead of just like going here, 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 which is all the options,
right.
instead I'm just gonna look to overhook your arm and do like a hip switch. Okay, so watch out for this arm, okay, as I switch. So overhook, and I drop my knee and my hip switches to the back. Right here. And I stay here until I'm ready to go here. And if you notice, my arm went overhook because I always want control of this arm so I can attack it.
Right.
Okay, and I don't let go of that hand grip until I know I can check the hip with the grip. Okay. So again. So that one is more impulsive because you just like bam. I don't have to post in here and here.
Right. It's just like
Yes.
less steps.
Yeah, that's what I mean when you drop your lat on the face.
Right.
Now I get frame and hip escape. So I look to hook. And I'm tight. And if you notice, I keep my head down. So I don't want them to use their legs to regard. And when I start to feel them moving, I sprawl to that north-south position and draw my wrist so that you can control.
Right.
Okay?
See it? One more.
Break, drag, punch, hip escape and frame, overhook, drop my knee, hip switch, step back, stay low, okay, and then north south. So the leg that was in front of you, like here, that one's going to sprawl back to north south. Good. And then again, whenever you're ready to come into side control, you always can. Drop your hip.
Got it, and then
Yeah, stay tight on the hips, like up more towards the front. There you go. Good.
here. Switch this here.
Then you can start to walk it towards the head. Until you can, no. Walk it towards the head, north, south.
Right.
Good.
So if they have that right arm in,
They have that right arm in, you're fine.
or you would rather go north south than side control, right? If they have it like tucked in.
I can't, no, I'd rather go to side control because it's easier to escape. Yeah, so wait, go back. So first make sure you're tight on this arm. Good, and then right here, make sure once you let go of this leg, you're gonna go to the hip with that grip. Yeah, and elbows tucked in and tight. Good, because you don't want them moving.
Right.
Yeah, exactly. So you would continue to follow to keep
Right.
them tight.
Here.
Yeah,
Staple.
exactly.
And then you keep this. You want to go, or are you trying to?
Yeah, no, exactly. You know how you went down towards my elbow?
Yeah.
That's perfect. Like hook it and then be
Yeah.
tight here.
Oh, hook it tight, and then
Yeah,
now
so-
I'm controlling your elbow and your hip.
No, well, I actually prefer like grabbing the jacket with this grip here. Like keep your elbow tight and then reach up my body like the front of my jacket. Yeah, there. Now look, it's really, that's
Right.
tight. That's much better.
You only really need to control one hip, right?
Yes,
So-
because I'm not going to hip this way.
because your face is.
Yeah, exactly. Like if I hip this way, it's bad for me. But I need to face into you, just like side control.
Right.
Yeah, so this is the hip that you're always going to check.
Right.
Yeah. Yep, right here. You would switch, right, and then step over. Good.
Got it.
Yep.
Okay. Because you have to.
Breathing hard.
I was like trying to compare it. 'Cause
Yeah, because
Here.
you're here, right? And you have overhook on this arm, or not, it doesn't matter. And I'm trying to hip into you. And as I do that, you step over. Good. If you feel like you don't
Because they need a front shrimp into.
yeah, like, and it's hard, especially when you have this arm, and depending where my elbow lands. If I'm up here, I'm not shrimping. I'm literally just moving my legs. I need to be in front of your hip, at least this bottom arm, right? So if I'm stuck here, you'll see a lot of people trying to like disregard and catch a leg. Right. If you don't switch your grip, right, and let's say you have that grip, when you come to the mount, hold on real quick, go back. For here, and you have my leg still, and you didn't switch to this grip, when you go to mount, aim for your knee to be high, like up towards my torso, so I can't catch your leg. There you go.
Right.
Yeah, because if it's low, go back. If you mount, like hop over low, I might catch it.
Got it.
Right?
So
So-
and then this hand will prevent you
Yeah,
from catching that.
if you're able to let go of that pant and like switch the top leg
Right.
as you go, it happens fast. But you just stuck with it.
And it's better because it's got it.
Yeah, that way I'm not able to recover.
Both of those are preventing the regard.
Exactly. There.
Got it.